Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to do another makeup look with you guys because you guys liked the last one that I did, which made me so excited. So I thought it would be fun to do another one. And for today, I am going to be doing my go-to glowy nude makeup look, which is literally like pretty much what I do every time I go out somewhere, to be honest with you. Like if I want something that's really matches with everything, is dramatic yet still natural and glowy and soft, this is what I go for. So very excited about this one. So I'm going to be showing you guys what products I use, how I get that look. So it's going to be a fun video. Before we get into that, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Pretty please. Means the absolute world, shows your support to the channel, helps me out a ton, and you guys get 3 videos a week. So please make sure that you're subscribed. But if you want to see my glowy nude makeup look, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, you know the drill. I'm gonna start with primer, work my way down to my eyes, which will probably be the last step. So I already applied my primer off camera because I feel like it's so unnecessary when I do it every time on camera. But basically I just put the Smashbox Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer all over my face. And then I put my absolute favorite, TATCHA, the Liquid Silk Canvas, just where I have pores. So like here, my nose, right in the middle of my forehead, and then my chin. So that part is already done. And then I also put eye primer on. I used the Rare Beauty eye primer. And then now I'm gonna be starting with foundation. This is literally my favorite foundation. It's my go-to for when I want something really flawless and glowy looking. This is always the one. It's the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. You've probably heard me talk about this about 1,000,000 times already, but I can't help it. I love it. So I'm taking this onto a beauty blender and I'm just blending all over my face. Foundation is done. Now I'm moving on to concealer. So it's the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Liquid Concealer. Okay, now that I'm concealed, I'm taking the Glossier Solar Paint Luminous Bronzer Cream in the shade Ray because I have not been using this as much as I wanted to, so I'm gonna be using this one today. And I'm just gonna blend out with the Beauty Blender like I did these other products. That's it for the liquid products. So we're moving on to powders. First, I'm gonna set my face and I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury AIRBRUSH Flawless Finish in shade 2 medium. Sometimes I'll take a loose powder and I'll bake my face, or I'll use that to set my face. Today I'm using this. I like to switch between the two depending on like what I'm doing that night. If I'm going somewhere and I really want my makeup to stay put and to look super snatched, then I will bake with a loose powder, which I also use the Charlotte Tilbury one. But for today, I'm just gonna set my entire face with this one. Wow, I forgot how much I love that liquid bronzer. Look at how beautiful that looks on my face. I impressed myself. Next up, I'm bronzing up my face with the NARS Laguna bronzer, and I'm just doing that everywhere where I did that Glossier. I'm just doing this over that. And now I'm taking this brush and I'm using some blush on my face. I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in Dim Infusion. I love this for like warm, glowy, just bronzy looks. It's the perfect peachy pink blush with a mix of like this really subtle, beautiful highlight. You need this. If you don't have it, it's amazing. And I'm just swirling it around and I am applying. And then you guys can skip some more highlighter if you want it to just stay like semi-matte. I want a little pop of something, so I'm just taking the JACLYN Cosmetics Iced Highlighter with that same brush and I'm just applying where I would typically apply highlighter. And I'm just gonna set that all in, and I'm using the DEZI Do Me Over Prep Set and Refresh Mist. Okay, so my face right now is done. I'm moving on to eyes and I'm keeping it really simple. So I'm using my Patrick Ta For Eyes Major Dimension Eyeshadow Palette, literally using 2 shades, that's it. So I'm taking this really light shade right here, this second to lightest shade. It is a matte. I'm doing this all over my lid and my crease on both eyes. Actually, guys, it's gonna be 3 shades. I forgot about my brow bone. So I'm taking this super light shade right here at the bottom and I'm just doing that right under my eyebrows. And now I'm going to take this super dark brown right here and I'm using this pointed pencil and I'm just gonna create like a eyeliner with this. So I'm not using like a black liquid or anything like that. I'm just using this powder for my eyeliner and it looks so beautiful every time, you guys. It's like the perfect bronzy, just simple, beautiful look. So I'm taking that and I am doing my eyeliner. So as you can see, that just completely like elevated the whole look. Like my eyes are so just like catty now. I'm gonna do my brows and my lashes off camera because I don't want to bore you guys with that part. So for my brows, I'm just as usual using my Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. And for lashes, my Benefit Roller Lash. So I'm gonna go do that really quick and I will be right back so we can do the lips. All right, brows and mascara are done. I kept it simple. I didn't put any lashes on because I honestly like the no lash look that's happening right now. So no lashes for today, but you could add some and it would still look beautiful. But last thing to do is lips. And I'm gonna do my favorite lip combo that I have just been obsessed with lately. And every time you guys have commented lately asking what's on my lips in a video, it's always this combo. So it is the Il Makiage and Carly Bible lip liner in AI. So I'm gonna line my lips with this really quick. And for the lipstick, I'm taking a liquid lip. It is the Kylie Cosmetics, which one is this? Candy K matte liquid lip. And I'm applying this all over my lips. It is the perfect nude. So let's put it on. Tell me that is not the perfect combo. Literally, I don't think there's a nude lip combo out there that I like more than this right now. It's just like non-stop what I put on my lips and I always get asked what it is. So that is what it is. I love it. It's beautiful. Perfect nude shade. And that's the whole look. You could set your face one more time, which maybe I will, why not? But yeah, that is my bronzy, glowy nude look. My go-to every single time I go somewhere because I just know it's gonna look good. I know I'm gonna look good. I know I'm gonna look glowy and bronzy and nude and just wonderful. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was super easy to do. Takes hardly any time, honestly, maybe like half an hour if I'm taking my time with it. So really easy, really simple, and your face just looks flawless every time. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to comment, let me know what you guys think about how this turned out. Say hello, because I love talking to you guys. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and please subscribe to my channel. But stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.